In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or delete set rules for incoming emails in Outlook. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Outlook account, and once you're logged in, go to settings. From settings, you can see we have various options here. Choose mail, and from this, go to roles. And under roles, you can see we have already one role already set, and this was an out of office role that I have. So I only have one. So if you just want to pause it, you can just go ahead and disable, and it will not apply. And here you can activate it any other time that you wish. However, if you want to completely delete or remove it, then click on this ellipsis, and we have an option here to delete role. You can also delete the role by clicking on the drop down here, and we have an option to delete the role from here. So I'll click on delete role, and I have to confirm that indeed you want to delete it by clicking on OK. And as you can see, the role has been deleted. So that's how you can remove or delete roles in Outlook Mail. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.